Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a fascinating breakthrough in the world of medicine and technology, printing human tissues in space. This remarkable achievement by scientists at the University of Zurich could revolutionize organ transplantation, potentially reducing our reliance on organ donors and shortening those daunting waiting lists for patients in need. You might wonder why space is the chosen environment for this cutting-edge 3D printing. The answer lies in gravity. On Earth, gravity poses a significant challenge when producing human tissues. It adds pressure to the materials used, known as bio-ink, making it difficult to create muscle fibers that mirror those in the human body. Space, with its microgravity environment, offers ideal conditions to overcome these obstacles. To tackle this, researchers have employed advanced techniques to simulate microgravity conditions, such as parabolic flights that provide brief periods of weightlessness. Using an innovative system called G-Flight, the team successfully printed muscle tissues in this unique environment. This opens the door to exciting possibilities for developing human organs in space. The potential of 3D printing human organs in space goes beyond just transplants. This technology might also lead to new treatments for diseases affecting muscle tissues, particularly for astronauts who experience muscle loss due to microgravity. Moreover, these groundbreaking studies could pave the way for developing other types of tissues, like retinal and liver tissues, improving the quality of life for countless patients. Despite these impressive strides, significant challenges remain. Scientists must ensure that the printed organs function efficiently within the human body and understand how they interact with the unique conditions of space. Additionally, new techniques need to be developed to ensure high-quality, reliable tissue production consistently. The advancement of 3D printing technologies in space marks a major leap in modern medicine. If researchers can overcome the current challenges, it could mean less dependence on donors and a better quality of life for many patients awaiting organ transplants. It also promises to enhance the capabilities of space medicine, offering solutions to health issues faced by astronauts in the future. Thank you for joining us on Science Hub. If you enjoyed this exploration into the future of medical science, be sure to subscribe for more fascinating content.